Lost souls, oh, and I know it. Fucking with them old boss, you gon' get fucked over. Rari's and robots, these hoes are cheap souls, so head on with that cold.
Okay, well, I'm the one fucking driving.
Stop laughing like that. Oh, you know, I don't like it. No.
No. That's right now.
Like, if it were to be one, it would either be rope or wedge. But
Rope? I don't think rope.
no, but the thing is, wedge is. What if?
Abby, don't look to your left.
She's trying to go to get in
You just
shelter before.
You just got passed.
By grandma. No, but the issue is, wedge or cone.
I need the camera.
No, listen. Wedge and cone don't really happen here because there's never. Stop!
Oh my god, he needs the button. Put on a block. Where do I park?
Abby, nobody told you to turn right. I told you to go to the bottom and park in that normal parking lot.
Everything is awesome.
I don't know where that
Park on someone's
I
grass.
said go straight.
Park on someone's grass.
Oh my god. You make things so much more difficult than they have to be.
Guys, I don't know where I'm parking. Where do I park?
Oh, call declined.
Embarrassing.
Call was
But I see her in the back of
It's really fucking close to your face. Is it? Yeah. Oh. Everyone get in. Everybody go in. We need more. Yes, no!
Fast number two. Put metal in my nose like pain. Man, I never saw this bitch before. How the fuck she know my name? She said, little Uzi, hello. I looked at her, oh hey. Hello. You ain't never see bitch be dope. Well, little bitch, I got K.
I don't play with that hoe, she act childish. I get turned when I'm off of that Molly.
Got away, want me look like Miley. Soon as I walk in, like it.
You did me wrong. You did me wrong. Girl, you did me wrong. You did me wrong. You did me wrong. Oh, oh. Hey, all of my signs.